Hello friends, I am Devansh from Radiance Academy and welcome to our YouTube channel Radiance Knowledge Box. Today we will learn about the basics of the nervous system. So let's go. So the first basic is the stimulus. So a stimulus is any change in the environment which usually results in the change in the activity of the body. So here you can see there is a picture of a touch me not plant, and when a person touches the plant closes itself. So the stimulus is a change in the environment which results in the change of the activity of the body. Then second basic is the response. So a response is a reaction to a question, experience or some other type of stimulus. So the plant is reacting to the stimulus, and when the closure of the plant is the response to such stimulus. So when a person touches the plant, the response is that it is closing itself. So the third basic is the impulse. So a impulse is a wave of the electrical disturbance which runs through the nerves. So here there is a picture of a neuron where you can see there is a lightning type light which is flowing through it. So that is the impulse. Wow, what a beautiful bird. Then receptors. The receptors is the sense organ which receives the stimulus. So you must have played cricket. Yes, great. Then you must tell me that how do you catch a ball? Where do you catch a ball? Yes, great, on your hand. So just like that, your hand is a receptor and a ball and the cricket ball is the stimulus. So the receptors receive the stimulus. So just like that, the hand receives the ball. So there is a picture which clearly tell you the receptors, how a receptor receives the stimulus. So you can see the hexagon will come in order to close the picture, and the star will go in its nearest picture. Then an effector. An effector is a muscle or gland where response occurs. So you can see there that there are three pandas where they are responding, and the impulse is traveling through their brain and they are responding to the hammer. Then let's take an example. So first heat is the stimulus, is then second is the nerve cell in the skin receives the stimulus is the receptor. The sensation traveling through the nerve is the impulse. The muscle of the hand receiving the command from the brain is the effector, and the contraction of the muscle for withdrawing the hand is the response. So here you can see that in the video there is the heat is the stimulus and the person is yelling in order to withdraw his hand, and he is in deep pain and he wants to withdraw his hand. So he is responding to the stimulus which he has put on. So this example is very important. If you understand this example or just by heart this example, you can understand the basics of the nervous system. Then we will learn about the pathway of the neuron. So the pathway of the neuron is that when a stimulus occur, it goes to the receptor, then the message goes to the sensory neuron, then it goes to interneuron, the efferent neuron, target cell effector, and finally the response. So it quickly tells the pathway of the neuron. So guys, if you like this video, please share and subscribe Radiance Knowledge Box. And thank you.